This is the Big Brother Naija Review Show.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Toks TV. And this is the Big Brother Naija Review Show. So there's apparently trouble in paradise between Liquorose and Emmanuel. So on Sunday, when they were doing the eviction show, Ebuka asked Emmanuel his kind of relationship with Liquorose. And Liquorose was not happy about the answer because he was like, we're friends, we understand each other, and basically we'll just see from there.
Mates or your fellow housemates seem to think that your situationship, I guess that's what I should call it, with Liquorose is pretty much one-sided, almost like she's the one in it and you are there for I don't know what. What do you think about that?
Well, I didn't know this part. I'm just hearing now, but I honestly feel that we are in a comfortable space where we understand each other and respect each other very much, and that is enough for both of us. So I don't know what anybody thinks, but that's enough for both of us, basically.
So Liquorose definitely wasn't happy with that because she pulled him aside to talk to him. Like, why does he feel as if it's one-sided? Why does he feel like every time they're asking him, why aren't you into the relationship, or are you feeling the relationship? Never asking Liquorose if she's feeling the relationship. So Liquorose basically decided that maybe they should just part ways, or just she wants to focus on the game. And to be honest, I feel like Emmanuel does like her. Like, we don't really know, but like I feel like he likes her, but he's also trying to be strategic with it. I kind of feel that way. But it made sense that Liquorose decided to just focus on the game because that's what she came for. Because at the end of the day, it's obviously taking her mindset away. So her main focus should be the game, especially if Emmanuel is just not feeling it fully. So on Monday, Liquorose won head of house, and I expected her to pick Emmanuel, but she didn't. She picked Saga as her deputy, and I was really surprised because a lot of things have just been going on in the relationship, but I did expect her to pick Emmanuel because it just felt like, yeah, okay, it's definitely Emmanuel. So I was really surprised she picked Saga. And even when she was meant to use her veto power, she didn't use it on Maria. Like, her friendship, her relationships, a lot are going on. Because when Maria was head of house, she was meant to convince the housemates that they were going to get eliminated. So the part of people that she picked was Emmanuel, and Liquorose was not happy with that, but Liquorose did not know that she was just that Biggie just made her play a game. But I feel like since then their relationship has been rocky, because the fact that Maria is up for eviction, I thought Liquorose was going to use her veto power on her, but she used it on peace. Although she went to meet Maria later to talk about it, Maria was like, it's fine, but I don't think it's fine, to be honest. So it's just a lot is going on, and we're here for the drama. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button so you'll be notified every time we post about Big Brother Naija updates. Bye guys.
Sorry, deputy.
No, I think it's even better.
Maybe I'm my deputy.
Well, I think it's kind of better. I don't want to feel.
So feel what?
It's better this way. For real?
I don't feel what?
No. I'm like, oh, man, Liquorose controlling everything, somehow bad energy here and there, so I think it's gonna be better the way you.
Oh, so you're not feeling right?
Okay.